1-0.
I'll take the beam. Yeah, I take the beam. I'll take the beam. We got time. 5 points?
0-1.
So I need to score 16.
1 up. Over. You got 1 serve, Fred. One up. Two one.
Right. That's right, right?
Inside out, I can't see him.
1, 2.
That shit was whipped out. So why they up? That's how Carlin is winning?
It's over.
That's how Carlin wins, right?
1-7-2.
Yo. It's never baby. If I win. We don't mix. We don't mix.
2-7-1. Two one. Push short. Wait.
At work, I'm like this.
Did you play in this?
Two up. Wait. Sorry. Two up. 3-1.
What's that? I can hold my own.
Four one.
There's a lot of good shit that's out there.
No. You run it sideways. He ran sideways. Not blocked.
I don't know what happened. Sorry guys, I have no idea what happened. At least I noticed it.
1-7-4. Wait.
I think it's like years ago.
1-4.
I actually didn't see it on a play. I actually didn't see it. Because Facebook ended my live and I had to restart it.
2-4.
Nice cover by Freddy.
3-4. Block ball.
Sorry, Carlin.
3 serving 4.
Kadeem.
3-4. Yeah, that was good. 3-4.
Yeah, right there. I want this thing. Right there. Let's keep it there. Come on. Go. Right there. Let's go.
4.
Niggas always want what they say have. Let's go.
4 up.
Anybody rejoining me? I'm sorry, I don't know what happened. The live feed just stopped.
Get it! Spike City, nigga. Spike City.
Good to be so. 4 up.
There you go. Right at it. Right at it. First serve, 4 up.
4 up.
Come on.
4 up. 4 up. Block ball. Good call, Freddy. 4 serving 4.
Winner goes to the finals. I don't know who won.
4 serving 4.
I don't know who won between the Mix and Nas. 7.
Five, 4. You got 1 serve. No. Six, 4. Push short, yep. Good call, Rob. Wait. Yo. Hello.
Eric.
Doing the weight, bro. You're doing the weight all day, bro. Hey, can you excuse me? All right? Wait up.
Like I'm your kid, nigga.
Yo, you in the weight all day, bro. Yeah, I am kind of crazy, though. 6-4. Yep.
Shift right now. Stay ready, baby. Stay ready.
6-4.
Eight player, right? He's an 8 player.
6-4.
Freddie, you gotta know this. There's a little English on that, Freddie. You know the ball's going.
4-6. Well, you Bill? Yes, sir. You ready? Score 4-6. Hit the line. Wait. 5-6. Short. Wait. You got one serve.
Yeah.
6 up.
6-4. Damn.
Everybody's like, I must have forgot, nigga, I'm back.
My score, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, I'm back, kid. I'm sorry.
Let's go. Ready, beat you. Try to.
Let's go. Let's go. You want to see watch this?
6 up.
Y'all gonna be salty after this, kid. You're gonna be like, nigga, I bought back and won. That's crazy, man. You're like, damn, I bought back and won.
Heads up, Kyle.
Come on, Kyle.
Come on, Kyle. You the man.
You ain't got nothing to do, man. You can't insult us. You can't insult us, man. You can't say the stage. Let's go. Catch up.
6 up. Six up.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
7-6.
Since the night singles final where they're just talking fun trash to each other.
They're going back and forth.
Big body.
8-6. He doesn't care if I hit the killer. He just want to
I should have let it bounce. That's my fault.
Kadeem says it was his fault as he hits the ball into the ground.
I should have waited for it to bounce. My bad.
I took a shit online.
I say as he hits the ball into the ground. Well, who else's fault could it be? You hit it to the ground. Just informing the line.
You ready? 6 serving 8.
Or 6 serving 8. Winner goes to the finals.
Nope. Wait. That's the point.
Have to let the offensive player finish his swing.
You right? You right, Kyle? 7-8.
Doesn't finish the swing, you help him follow through. It's an avoid right now.
Yep.
gotta go to shop. Gotta go. You're not going to play.
7-8.
You trying to cut through?
Eight up. Steady. They call you steady, Freddy?
White, let me get a white.
White.
This wipe is sponsored by Snipes. All right, the score is 7 serving 8.
8-7-8.
8 serving 8. Every time I shake him, this is shaking.
8 up.
8 off. Timeout call.
Timeout. Second server. Timeout.
Time in! The fuck? 5-minute timeouts? What are we doing here, Glenn? What are we doing here? It's too dark. It's too dark. Let's go. I gotta go see UFC.
I know. I keep forgetting.
Let's go. Is that bump feed? Yeah, bump feed is
Second server. 8 up.
Bump feed is here representing Philly. Bump feed played, I believe. I don't know what he played for.
9-8.
Front team's up 1. 9 serving aim. Don't miss it.
Yup, that ball. 9-8.
Power with the whip left.
You are the man.
Not that shot today.
10-8. You got 1 serve.
There's no lights here, so I don't know if they're going to have time for the finals.
Yeah, hit him. I know the holder, but he said it hit you. It didn't hit him.
Oh no, I'm actually.
No, it didn't hit him. 10-8. Lock ball. 10-8.
Out.
Serving 10.
It's all right, it's all right. playing great.
8-10. Lapo. 8-10. Yeah.
Oh, what up?
8-10.
Wait a minute.
You like to do?
That's not bad.
Who's winning? Who's winning? What the hell is going niggas?
I think the back team is winning by 1 or 2.
9-10.
9-10.
9-10. Same shot. That's my shot.
Ball was under.
Next.
I hear you, my brother. I saw you out there on the show floor.
I thought it was a bad coach.
I'm a big convention guy too.
10 up.
Just at a convention last week.
Come on!
11-10.
Yeah, how much they sold the piss for?
Can't miss that.
11-10. Another 10. Come on, Kadeem.
I don't know what the hell he's doing.
10-11.
10-11, he just like game goal. Caught 2 on himself. Kadeem caught 2 on himself.
Everybody see you, ready?
Yeah.
Second server. 10-11. Another 5th for Kadeem as well.
But Rob caught 2.
11-10.
He's drinking and he's gambling.
Twelve.
Oh, phew.
No way.
No way.
What's the score? Oh, I think you said what you saw.
Under.
Like 12, 11, something like that. What's score?
11-10.
11-10.
Kadeem. How much you want? Wait. Check the server. 11-10.
Yeah, I thought that was under 2. I see things in my way.
Really?
12-10.
12-10. 12-10.
13-10.
Yo, shampoo.
The last open spot is part
13-10.
a no show. So we can pick whoever he wants.
Shot, Freddy. Right at him.
And he picked up the
Looking at him, nigga.
I feel good.
Come back.
10-13. Wait. Sorry, Freddy. 10-13.
That shot all day. He's been doing that shot all day. Yes, so technically you are correct.
11-13.
Dean did play with 2 different partners.
Yep.
In this event. They didn't do buybacks, but Freddy had no spot. Had no partner.
11-13.
11-13. He was a little extra lean.
First ever cop. Let's go, cop. All the way.
13-11.
Let's go.
14-11.
14, so we
15-11.
Let's go.
15-11.
Freddy had a spot from yesterday. Lost his partner. No, this is not the final set. The winner goes to the finals against Nas and Mark Rivera. So Nas and Mark Rivera are in the finals already. The winner here goes to the finals. They may have to play tomorrow.
15-11.
They're losing light fast. Oh.
We get away.
I would have asked if Dean wanted to
excited, but I can't even hear you, bro. Hear me, Fred? I can't even hear you from over here. 15-11.
Carlin is not going to take it easy on your legs if he has a shot between your legs, and I respect that because that's how we did.
16-11.
That's how we did back in the day. Fuck your legs.
Yeah. And nobody bitched about it either.
No, you got the fuck back up.
17-11.
Trying to get away from Dean right now. Oh, boy. 18-11.
18-11.
You're an A player. You're an A player. I told you.
You and Justin win this event. Easy.
19-11.
I mean, maybe one or two games might be. Maybe 14, 15.
Match point 11.
But for the most part, easy. Oh no, he's fucking dancing lambada on the court. And he finished it with a miss-hit pose.
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
A miss-hit pose.
today.
That's the game. Yeah, it's almost like two
Is that 11?